Rocks Rock. Today it's me, Bryce, again, and I am presenting you I'm going to teach you about rocks. They are very useful and very interesting. The Earth is covered in rocks. Rocks are in a layer called the crust. Rocks are even under the ocean. So it's like a pie. It's everywhere, and it's just the crust, and it's even under the ocean. Geology is the study of rocks. Did you know geologists say that there are 3 basic kinds of rocks? Each type of rock is formed in a different way: sedimentary rock, igneous rock, metamorphic rock. Sedimentary rock. Minerals are pressed together into layers for thousands of years. This is a layered sedimentary rock, and you see it has stripes, so you know it's a sedimentary rock. And sedimentary rocks are not always small. They can be as big as a mountain. And this is a very rare thing, but it happens, and it's really cool. And you see it still has the stripes, and this is also sedimentary rock. Here is another thing about sedimentary rock. So dinosaurs die, and then sedimentary rock falls on top of them, which creates the layers. And igneous rock is our next rock we're talking about today. And fire is usually what igneous rock comes out of, and also volcanoes. Igneous rock comes from volcanoes, and fire, this is, excuse me, this is when lava falls. It creates, when the lava cools, it becomes rock, and it actually looks like a regular rock somehow. There's one version of rock, and it is obsidian. I actually have an obsidian rock here. You can see that the obsidian is very black, and this is real lava, but it's cooled. And this pumice is when minerals cool so fast that it doesn't have time to make the whole entire rock. So there's little air pockets and holes, and that makes it really light. Now there's also granite, and granite is, I also have an example of granite here. Really cool looking rocks, and this is actually intrusive igneous rock. Is rock that comes out of underground and is kind of like the ground. And intrusive igneous rock is comes out of a volcano. This is actually El Capitan, a famous mountain, and people really like to climb it. And it is a cool place in Yosemite. It is made out of igneous rock. Basalt is also one of those rocks that cools too fast, and there are air pockets, and it just goes, and it doesn't have time. Metamorphic rock. You can also see metamorphic rock, and morph is is also like this, like Power Rangers. It's over on the left picture there, they have no helmets on, and the next second they have helmets on, which is pretty cool. And I'm sure they like that I put their photos in here. All rocks are metamorphic rock in a sense, because a sedimentary rock and igneous rock are metamorphic rock when they get too old, and then they change into metamorphic rock. And you can see here it's shale, slate, and then some other rocks going up, and that's morphing. And then here's some other metamorphic rocks. And these are the three basic rocks. Igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. I hope you enjoyed this video. The end. Actually, I wanted to bring up one more thing, and my school is religious, and I saw this, and I wanted to show this to you because it's made out of rock, and it's a really good saying. So it says, "The test of our progress is not whether we add more to the abundance of those who have much. It is whether we provide enough for those who have too little." Bye-bye. Hope you subscribe, and hope you have a good day.